Look at the pretty bird, sings exotical words, ever so pretty sound, even perched on the ground. And when you pick it up, even when you dress it up, Tweety in a salsa cup, still a disaster struck. The pieces broke away when Pretty didn't get its way. Couldn't wait for Freedom Day just to fly away. You can't make it stay. Broken wings still get away. Still broken again today. So let it fly away. 'Cause you can't cage a bird when it just wanna be heard. You can't cage a bird, so let it fly away. Older man with means, new bird on the scene, just an innocent shade of green from its mama's nest. Striding down the street, pretty bird ain't had enough to eat. Hunger, tweet, 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 but it's filled with pride and a juvenile stride. In comes big man boss, with his millions he does toss. Carriage and a castle high, still pretty bird cry. Why would you clip its wings when Pretty just wants to sing? That won't the thing to do, making Pretty bird blue. 'Cause you can't cage a bird when it just wanna be heard. You can't cage a bird, so let it fly away. It never ventured out, never knew what freedom's about. Hearing Pretty surprise shout, and your ears tuned down. Now you got no say. Sign the paper, it's Freedom Day. Free and legal to fly and play. A new birthday, and it's gonna fly up to the sky, real, real high. 'Cause you can't cage a bird when it just wanna be heard. Now why can't you be a friend and let the fairy tale end?